Looking for beach chairs that are actually easy to carry and don't take up a ton of space? This 2-pack of low beach chairs are one of those things that just make outdoor days easier. I like that these come as a 2-pack because you're already set for beach trips, camping, sporting events, parks, or even just hanging out in the backyard. One of the first things I noticed is how quick they are to set up. You basically pull them open and they're ready to use, and when you're done, they fold back down without a bunch of extra steps. The included carrying bag is also nice because it keeps everything together and makes them easy to throw in the trunk before heading out. I also really like the mesh material because it feels lightweight and breathable, especially on hot days when heavier fabric can start feeling uncomfortable. The little details are nice too, like the padded armrests and built-in cup holder. Those are the kinds of features you don't always think about at first, but they make sitting out for a while feel more convenient. The frame feels sturdy overall while still staying lightweight enough that carrying them around doesn't feel like a workout, and when you're done using them, they fold into a compact size that doesn't take up a lot of storage space. Overall, these are one of those simple products that make outdoor days feel easier and more comfortable.